guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Natalia.Armoni, and in today's video I'll be doing a quick get ready with me. I'm going to a ski lodge today, so I felt like I might as well afford me getting ready. I haven't did a get ready with me at all yet in 2020, so I feel like this was the perfect time. And I'm also going to be including this hair in this get ready with me. This hair is from Nadula hair. I do have a video of me installing this hair, which I will leave down below in the description box, along with the information for this hair if you guys want to purchase it, because it's just so freaking good. Like, I'm telling you guys, this hair is bomb. I'm not going to talk as much. I'm just going to let you guys watch the video. I hope you all enjoy it. And yeah, keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you all know, I'm about to do a get ready with me, and the first thing I'm gonna do is fix these baby hairs because they're looking a little too crazy. I had this hair in for about a week now. I do have a video, an in-depth video on how I installed this hair, so I'll probably leave it up here, and I also will be linking it down below so you guys can check it out. But if you don't know, this hair is from Nadula hair. This is their transparent lace 13x6 Indian body wave hair, and so far guys, I'm just so in love with it. Like I said, I had it in for about a week now, and look, it's still late. It's just I need to get the baby hairs in order because, girl, sometimes I don't wrap and do like I'm supposed to. So I'm just gonna probably speed through me getting the baby hairs together. I'm just using my alcohol-free mousse, and it's this brand that I use. And then I'm just gonna wrap it down with some wrapping strips. And now we can just jump right into makeup, and I'm going to start with my brows. I normally don't do my brows on camera, but I figured since this is a getting ready with me, I might as well show you guys. And plus my eyebrows are done, so when my eyebrows are done, I really don't need to do much to them because as you can see, they're thick as fuck. So yeah, and I'm just going to use my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in 4.5. Brows complete, because that is like the most annoying part. Today guys, I'm going to a ski. I'm back. So anyway, I'm going skiing and snow tubing. So I'm pretty much just gonna do like my everyday makeup routine, which is what I did in the Nadula hair video, and I know you guys probably wanted to see how I did that look. So that's the look that I'm going for today. I already moisturized my face, so I'm about to just take my Tatcha primer and prime. So now going in with foundation, I'm going to mix these two. And this is the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation. And I'm mixing the shades Macao and New Caledonia. I never know how to pronounce this one. I think this is deep 2 and this is medium deep 4. So that should help you guys. But this one is pretty dark. So I only put like literally like a half a pump. Like not even a whole pump. And I'm using my hands because my freaking makeup spatula thing just fell in my turtle tank. So that really just blew me. And I do go for a full coverage foundation for every day, because as you can see, I have hella dark spots and I want them covered. I don't want no medium cover. I need full cover, baby. And since this foundation is full coverage, I really don't find the need to put a lot. Like, I really just put enough to cover up my spots. Now going in with concealer, I'm going to use my Born This Way concealer in Butterscotch. This is my all-time favorite. I'm pretty sure this is not y'all first time seeing me use this concealer. I freaking love it. And I'm just going to put this directly under the eye. Like literally just right here. A little on my chin. A little bit on my forehead. Because I really don't have a forehead. But I just put a little bit just so it won't be like bare right there. And down my nose. And then I go in with cream contour. And this is the Black Opal foundation stick in ebony brown. Like smiling when I'm doing it just so I can see like where my cheekbone is, because you don't want to drag it down too far. Damp beauty blender, okay, damp with water. And I'm just gonna go ahead and press that concealer into my skin, and I'm really just gonna focus it all like on here. I'm not gonna drag it up. Now using my Real Techniques Insta Cheek Pop brush, I'm gonna pat the contour in. And if you go too far, just take your beauty blender that you use for your concealer and just pat over it. I feel like this is the perfect brush for blending out your contour because of like the angle that it is, so it like fits right in there. And I just go and pat, 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 pat. I also like to take the concealer on this little brush and I drag it down my nose to contour. And then I buff it out with this Morphe E62 brush. So before I set everything in place, I like to take the brush that I use for my foundation and kind of like clean up my contour a bit if I feel like it went too low. I just want to brighten up just a tad bit. I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place concealer, and this is in the number 13, and I'm just going to dot it right underneath the eye. Right there. I'm going to use my Real Techniques setting brush to blend it out. To set everything in place, I'm going to go ahead and use my Sacha Buttercup powder. I love this powder, especially for like an everyday like look. I'm make sure I put a little extra powder on my smile lines because I don't know, lately I've just been getting them and I never got them before, so I always put a little extra powder. Perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead and bronze up the face and contour a little bit. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty Coco Naughty Sun Stalk'r bronzer. Also take my Fit Me, this is the loose finishing powder in number 30. I'm gonna put some of this under my eye just for a little brighter look. I've been doing this recently and I freaking love it. And I do the same thing, pat some off on my hand and proceed to go under my eye. It just gives you that extra like brightness because the Sacha Buttercup powder is like a yellow based powder, so it comes off like really natural looking and really not that bright to me on my skin tone. I am going to actually get the Sacha Buttercup Light. I feel like that's probably what I need, is the Sacha Buttercup Light and not just the regular one. And I'm also going to go back in with that Morphe E62 brush and back with the Sun Stalk'r bronzer, And I'm just gonna go ahead and set my nose contour. And as you can tell, well, I'm pretty sure you guys noticed, I let the powder on my nose sit for a bit so my nose contour can be snatched. Now my face is feeling dry as crap from all that powder. I'm gonna go ahead first with my swing. I'm gonna dust off that powder. I'm gonna go ahead with my Morphe Continuum Mist Spray. I'm just gonna spritz my face. Whew, I love that stuff. So while I'm letting my face dry, I'm gonna go straight into eyeshadow. And for eyeshadow today, we're gonna be using the Warrior 2 palette with Juvia's Place. And this is literally the only eyeshadow palette that we're gonna be using for this look. As you can see, this shade is Heavenly Love by me. I love this shade. I don't know what I'm gonna do when it's gone, but we're gonna start by using this shade right here. And of course, if you don't have this palette, you can just go in with any light brown shade. This look is not like, it's messy. Like, it's not even nothing to it. It's really messy. So all I do is just dust this on my eyelid with a fluffy brush. I'm using a Morphe M518 brush, and I just go back and forth using windshield wiper motions. Okay, now we got that fresh shade packed on. I'm gonna take the shade literally right next to it, and I'm just gonna place that right on my eyelid and start blending it up. Pretty much all it is to it. Now I'm gonna go pop on some liner and lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so lashes is on. Now we can go and complete our look. I want to use my Juvia's Place blush palette. This is the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix these two shades together. I love mixing these two. And just go ahead and pop it on my cheeks. I'm really a blush head, so I really want to go ham with the blush. I'm gonna go ahead with the mixed brow gel and run it through my brows. Y'all know how like Nikki does like no liner or nothing. She just leaves it bare under the eye. So I don't know. Is it giving it? Or should I just do what I did yesterday? The other day? I'm probably gonna just do what I did the other day. I was like, the look. To the eyes, I'm gonna take my NYX Wonder pencil, and this is in medium, and I'm just gonna use this to put in my waterline. I like using this one instead of white, just because I feel like sometimes the white be like really bright, and this is just like a cute like nude, just to lighten it up a bit. Going back in with the Juvia's Place palette, I'm going to use the shades that we put on top, and I'm going to put them on the bottom. And I'm going to use that shade next to it. I'm going to put this closer to the waterline. And of course, I'm gonna go in with some bottom lash mascara. I believe this is like one of my favorite parts, is the bottom lash mascara. I love bottom lashes. See how the bottom lash mascara just makes the look pop. Now I'm gonna finish off the face with a little bit of highlight. I really haven't been for the highlight lately. I really just been liking like the matte look. I took my gloss off, and now I'm just gonna align my lips with MAC lip liner pencil in Chestnut, and after that I'm going to use my NYX Butter Gloss lip gloss in Cinnamon Roll. wasn't flicking y'all off, I promise. So one last spray. And that's it for the makeup look. Now we're gonna move back to the hair. I mentioned to you guys, this is Nadula's hair. It is a 13 by 6, 26-inch transparent lace front wig. Oh, I'm gonna straighten it because I really want to see how it straightens, and I'm pretty sure you guys would like to see too. We're just gonna fast forward through because I'm pretty sure you guys know and seen people straighten their hair, and I'm just gonna use my Baby Bliss flat iron. I'm gonna use the chaser method with my brush. It really got straight off that one swipe through. Okay, Nadula. So I'm gonna just fast forward through this process. This hair is straightened like so good and effortlessly. Like I literally just ran my flat iron through one time and it was straight. So let's take it off. Rapid strip off. Hair is laid. Hey guys, so that's it for this get ready with me. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, while you're down there, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I love you all like always. Thank you for always supporting me and watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.